How to delete Walmart account on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can delete Walmart account on iPhone. In order to delete your Walmart account on your iPhone or on an Android device, the procedure is similar. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us right till the end. So then to delete your account, you won't be able to do it from the application. You'll need to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in walmart.com. And make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged into your Walmart account, it's going to direct you to the official page. Right on this page, you'll be able to see the try bar icon in the top left hand side corner. Scroll down a bit, go to the help center, and it's going to take you to the help center page. Right on this page, it's going to take you to the chat page, or else you might be able to see contact us button and tap on it, and it's going to direct you to this page. Over here you can see a live chat. So what you can do is you need to do something. You need to delete your account. So for that, go ahead and tap on something else. Now you'll be able to see all sort of, once again you need to tap on it's something else. So once again go ahead and tap on something else. Now we've actually got in contact with a real human. Now what you can do is just type in delete my account and send them the request about this. After that, you'll just go ahead and see the option such as tap on close account. Now you can just go ahead and read the instruction and follow the prompt, read the instruction and apply it accordingly. So that's basically how you can delete your Walmart account on iPhone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.